Okay, so the difference between a hyperlinked document and a document that isn't hyperlinked. This is available in our freebies hub that you're welcome to go over into my tiny little piece of the internet that I've carved out for freebies. I'll put the link down below, and this is one of the freebies that's available in there. And there's no, if I go to the big picture view, you can see this is the only page. It's a PDF, and I can duplicate it, and then now there's 2, and I can duplicate it once more, and now there's 3. But there's no links anywhere here on the page. When you are using hyperlinks, what's really good to understand is this icon up here on the top right. This is a pencil with a circle around it, which is not in draw mode, it's in reading mode. So it's a reading and a writing icon. So it's really important that when I tap it, you can see there's a line through it now, and you can see this menu comes up. That means that we are now, when we select the pen, I'm in medium point, I'm in my color that I love here. You can see that we can now write, and we can do all sorts of things according to the menu up here. Hyperlinks don't work in this mode. In this mode here, hyperlinks don't work. You have to tap it to get the circle around it. So this is now reading mode. Now you can't write on it anywhere. The menu's gone away, you can't write. What you can do is flick around in it, and this is a non-hyperlinked document. So you could certainly, if you were measuring how much you're studying, you know, butterflies, the how-to of butterflies, how long you did that for, the next topic, how long you did that for. You could certainly do all of that and record it here, but you can't change mode, click on something and flick to another page in the document. This document has no hyperlinks, but it's certainly available for you to digitally plan this topic in GoodNotes. So that's a regular document with no hyperlinks. Now let's go to a document that is hyperlinked. This is available in our Etsy shop. It's our weekly planner, the Sunday start. We have the Monday start as well. And we are right now, we are in reading mode, okay? We know that because there's no menu and because there's a circle. So if I was to tap on here, it would take me, this is hyperlinked to here. So hyperlinking is a code that's created inside of a box that when you save this document, I've created it off-site on my laptop. When I've exported that document with all the hyperlinks in it to a PDF, I've sent it across here to GoodNotes. And now when I'm in reading mode and I tap on something, I can access whatever I'm tapping on. So I will tell you that this has 4 indexes, this document, and I'm currently in reading mode, as you can see. So if I tap on the calendar, it will take me to the whole year. There it is. I'm ready to go. This is a weekly calendar, a weekly planner. So individual days, I'm actually working on the daily one right now. But when you tap on this here, you'll get the whole week. You see the blue came up, that's the whole week. And then you get to the week view, and then the next page is you can schedule in the grid. But everything's hyperlinked. So there's a code in the original document before I exported it as a PDF that lets me quickly flick to any page in the document. I'll show you the big picture. When you tap on those 4 squares, it shows you the big picture. This is the document. It's hundreds of pages. It's got lots of links in it, which get you around everywhere. Let's go to this one. This is actually this year's big picture. And let's just say we were typing in here, let's change modes and go to writing. You can see the edit menus come up. And in April, we've got goals, and we're going to write down what those goals are, the biggest things we want to get done in April. There might be a couple of birthdays that we want to remember. And then in May, we've got an anniversary we want to remember. And we might want to just check in on that. We've got an annual holiday here. And so this is a big picture that you may want to fill out. When you go back to reading mode, you can then customize this however you want using the templates that are available. You can go to the narrow notebook and you can copy it many, many times. So in GoodNotes, you go to the big picture view. You can identify where you are because there's a blue line around wherever you are, and you can duplicate that page, which then brings you to 137, and you can move it. You can then move this page by going back to the big picture view and by moving it to, we're going to keep it in the same, document, but we could move it further back. I won't go into too much of that right now because I just wanted to show you that hyperlinks. Back again, we're in reading view. This is the notebook menu. Everything's hyperlinked here. So when I press on that, you can see the blue square around it. It takes you straight to the hyperlink. When we go to June, it will take you to the month of June. Go to August, it will take you to the month of August. When we go to the year view, take you to the year view. We want to get to this week here in September. It'll take you to the week view. And for every week view, there are 2 looks. You can schedule in all your appointments of the week. You can strategically plan all of the things that are important to you for the week. But the point is that this is a hyperlinked document. You can skip around in here as much as you like. The study planner is not a hyperlinked document. It is just one page that you can copy many times. So if we go back to the grid view, you can copy it many times. You can date each page for a different day. So going to the writing view now, it can be Monday the 3rd, and then the next day can be Tuesday the 4th. And you can keep records of everything you're doing that way, but it has not got hyperlinks. And so this tutorial is really just to show you the difference between a document with hyperlinks, which is this one. Going back into reading mode, this week's grid, customize here, go to the notebooks here, find a week here, go back to the original menu here, deal with the quarters. We've got goals, sheets, all sorts of stuff. That's a hyperlinked document. This is a digital document that is not hyperlinked. So that's the first answer to the question. I'm making this video in answer to a question about the difference between a hyperlinked document and a non-hyperlinked document, but they're both templates and they're both being used in GoodNotes. So I hope that helps. Please ask questions below. Happy to answer questions. Like and subscribe. I appreciate all the support you can give me. It helps the channel get out there and help other people. Come visit my Etsy shop, Wholehearted Me, and look down in below in the descriptions for all of the links. Thanks so much. Bye.